In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal billing address. This is really useful if you've recently moved, updated your contact details, or you're seeing issues with payments because your address doesn't match what your bank or card provider has on file. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is the page where you normally see your balance, recent transactions, and any notifications. Make sure you're on this main summary page because that's where we'll access your settings from. Now, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, usually right next to the log out option. This gear icon is the shortcut to all of your account settings. Go ahead and click on that. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal, so just wait until the settings page fully appears before moving on. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see several sections related to your personal information, security, and account preferences. Here, you want to look for the section labeled addresses, or something very similar. This section is where PayPal stores the addresses linked to your account, including your billing address and sometimes your shipping address as well. In the addresses section, you should see your current address details listed. Next to this information, there will be an option to edit. Click on the edit button. This is where you can update your billing address details. Take your time here and make sure all the information you enter is accurate. Your street address, city, state or region, postal or zip code, and country if needed. It's important that this matches the billing address on file with your bank or card issuer, because mismatched information can cause payments to be declined or flagged. After you've carefully updated your details, look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your changes. Wait for the page to refresh and double check that the new address is now showing correctly in the Addresses section. Once that's done, your PayPal billing address has been successfully updated